Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about this single inheritance. In previous video, we are seen that introduction to the inheritance, and in that video, we are seen the overview related to the inheritance and its types. So, in this video, we are going to learn about this single inheritance, that is a orphan inheritance. Okay, single inheritance is when a class child inherits from only one parent class. It's like a child having only one parent. So, in single inheritance, there is only one parent class and one child class. Okay. So, in real life example, as we can take the example as one parent can have one child only. We will see a detailed example. So this is the example. Let's say we have a parent class as animal and the child class as dog. The dog class will inherit the properties and behaviors from the animal class. So let's see the practical example. So for that, we have to create the class. Okay. So I will right click on src new, then class, then here I will give the package name com.inherit. Okay. Now here I will give the class name as animal. Now click on finish. Now as you can see, I have created a class called animal. Now in this we will take a string name and we will create a constructor public animal, and in this we will pass this string name. Okay, and here we will use this dot name is equal to name. Okay, so I've created a parameterized constructor uh, and I've passed the name, and then we will create a method public return type will be void and name will be 8. So and in this we will print name, and in this we will pass is eating. So I've created a string of name, and here I've created a constructor that is parameterized constructor, and in this I've passed the parameter as name, and I've simply used this operator to store the value in this string. Then created a method of it, and in this we have simply print that the name and plus is eating, so the animal's name and is eating. This is the parent class. Okay, now let's create the child class. Okay, so for that we will click on package, then right click new, then class. Here we will pass dog and finish. So I've created a class called dog, and in this we will inherit the properties from the animal class. For that we will write extends name of the class, that is animal. This will inherit the properties from the animal class. So here also we will create a constructor public dog, and in this we will create a string name. Okay. In this we will call super and then name. So super is used for calling the parent class constructor. So this you can see here we have not get any error because we have extended the animal class. Okay, so we can access these all the properties from the dog class. Here we will create a method public, return type will be void, and name will be bark. Okay, and in this we will simply print name, the name of the animal plus is barking. Okay, so this is the method that we have created additionally. It is not present in the animal class. Okay, so let's create another class for calling these functions. For that we will right click on the package, new, then class, then here we will give the name as test. Finish. So I've created a class as test. In that we will create a method, main method. Now we will create the object for the child class. Why we are creating the object for the child class, that is dog class, because we can access this method as well. If we create the object for the animal class, are not be able to access this method. Okay, we can access this method because it is present in this class only. So we create the object for this class, this dog class, so we can access both the methods. Okay, we can access the properties and methods in same class as well and its parent class as well. So let's create the object for this child class, that is dog. So I will give the name as my dog, reference name, then new and dog. So we have created a parameterized constructor. So we have to give the name, let's say buddy. Okay. So I've created a constructor. Now let's call the methods. So my dog dot you can say eat. So as you can observe that the eat method is present in the animal class, as you can see here. The in dog class, the eat method does not exist. Okay, so we are accessing the method of the parent class by creating the object of the child class. Now let's run the code and see output. So, okay, so as you can see, buddy is eating. Okay, so as you can see, I've concatenated these two methods, name and exiting. So I passed the name as buddy and exiting it is taken from the only. Let's access the method of the dog class as well. So my dog dot the method in dog class we have created bark. Okay. Now I will comment this. Okay. Now I will run the code again. So as you can see, buddy is barking. Okay. So this is name plus buddy is barking. So I will give the space here. Yeah, I will give the space. Okay, now it's looking perfect. So Buddy is barking. Okay, this is the example for the single inheritance. So in single inheritance, there is only one child class and one parent class. And child class extending the properties and the methods of the parent class. Okay, so this is all about the single inheritance. Thank you for watching this video.